Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. In this video we're going to see a impatient driver. Apparently they were in a heck of a rush because they couldn't wait behind the car that was getting off at the same exit that they were. So they passed this car right before the off-ramp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Yeah, reckon they in a hurry? Oh, yeah. Nice. What? That's on camera. Nice. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.